A prospective client called me today asking about a divorce. Now, this is one half of the married couple, right? So it could be a man or a woman. But the person that called me, for the purposes of this, it's going to be a female. And she said, this way I can use she, or he, or they, them. I actually don't know the pronouns. They told me that they don't know where their spouse is now residing and what to do. And how do I find this person? And can I publish? And the reason she asked about, or they asked about publishing, is because they had gotten advice or counsel from another person. But divorce is a situation where you need to file the initial documents in the court, with the court, summons a complaint, alleging a grounds for divorce, and grounds is the reason. So you allege a certain grounds, with an S, ground. It could be multiple grounds. You go forward with the grounds, and you say, we don't get along, or living apart separate pursuant to a separation agreement, or cruel and inhuman treatment, and there's 6 reasons. But let's say we just don't get along, which the language is a little bit different, according to New York. Let's say that's the grounds. Now that paperwork has to be filed and then handed to the other spouse. Now, if you don't serve a person and they consent, well, that's fine. You can always consent to a divorce. But if you don't know where they are, you're really stuck at the start, stopped at the start. So what you'd have to do is get the permission of the court. Make this application, say, I don't know where this other spouse is. Please give me an order directing how I can make service. And the court would say, you have to publish in this newspaper for this length of time. And this person that called me already just started publishing in the newspaper because they got advice from someone. And I guess that's the sort of is good. And I said, maybe it'll result in this person actually knowing that you filed a divorce. But otherwise, we have to start with, let's ask the court, what method of service would you require? What's permissible to the court? And then we take those steps. So publish in Newsday for 3 weeks, 3 consecutive Thursdays, or some other prescribed period of time from the court.